In this video, I'll show you how you can connect Google Drive to n8n, so follow my steps. And first step is to go to console.cloud.google, and from here click on this My First Project and click on New Project. So you can name it, for example, n8n test. Then you can keep this like no organization and click on Create. Now it's going to create our project. And make sure you have your project selected. So as you can see, it's not selected right now. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to click on it and now it's selected. So make sure it's selected. Now what you want to do is click on those three lines on the left side and choose API and services. Then enable API and services. From here you want to enable API and services. Click on it. And here we can search for all API services you want to use. So we want to connect our Google Drive. I'm gonna write Google Drive and you can choose this one, this first. And click on Google Drive API. Click on it and then click on Enable. As you can see, now it's enabled. Now what you need to do is click on this OAuth consent screen. Click on Get Started. And then choose your app name. So let's say n8n test. You need to choose your email. Click on Next. Then you need to choose External. Then click Next. Submit again your email. So I'm gonna paste my email and click Next. I agree. Click Continue. And then click Create. Now click on Create OAuth Client. From here, choose Web Application. You can name it, for example, Web Client 1. Now go back to n8n and click on the plus button to add new step and search for Google Drive. Click on it. And from here, you need to select the action you want to do. So for example, create a folder. And then you need to create a new credential. So click on it. And from here you need to copy this redirect URL. So copy this one and go back here to Google Console and click on Add URL and paste it here. Then click on Create. As you can see, it was created. Now click on OK. Now go to branding on the left side. And from here you need to add a domain. So you need to click on add domain. And from here, how you can find your domain is go back to n8n and you can open these docs. They have like step-by-step guide how you can find everything. And from here, as you can see, if I scroll, this is the domain n8n.cloud. So you can copy it and paste it here. Then click Save. Now go to Audience and here you need to add user. So click on Add Users and type your email here. Then click Save. Then you need to go to Clients section and here open your web client. And from here, as you can see, this is your client ID. So you can copy it and go back to n8n and paste it here. Just like that. And here you can see your client secret. So click on this copy client secret and paste it here. And then what you need to do is scroll a little bit and click on sign in with Google. You need to sign through your account. Click continue. Click select all, then continue. And as you can see, connection successful. So account connected. Now we can close this and you can try it if it works. So resource, I can choose, I want to create folder, let's say in my Google Drive. So create folder. I can name it test folder from my drive and click on execute step. And as you can see, my folder has been created. So now if I open Google Drive and I click on my drive, as you can see, here is the test folder. So this is how you can connect your Google Drive to n8n. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.